This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to do a lean body mass calculation online. So I'm right here on calculator.net. You can find it at calculator.net/lean body mass calculator.html. Quite a long URL, so I'll put that in the video description. Click on that link and you'll find yourself here. Now we've got all of the blurb here, and we've got some mass, some pretty high level mass here if you want to swat up on that. The Bohr formula, the Jones formula, the Hume formula. But what we've basically got here is we've got a very simple, straightforward calculator. We've got metric units, so centimeters and kilograms here with the results in the three different formulas I just mentioned there, the Bohr, the Jones and the Hume. We've also got the US units in feet, inches and pounds. Obviously a lot of people, we use feet and inches a lot in the UK, less so pounds, but you know, you've got that option there for the US units if you so desire. Also, you can check out other units which they have right here. So let's just do metric units to start with, just to show you how this thing works. So metric units, we're going to do a male right here. You can say age 14 or younger, yes or no. Let's just go with no here. We'll say 188 centimeters for height, and then weight we'll say 95 kilograms. So we click calculate, and just like that we get our results right here. The Bohr is saying 69.7 kilograms, that's 73%, and the body fat 27%, so that's essentially lean body mass at 73%. The James is 71.8 kilograms at 76%, with a 24% body fat. And Hume is coming in as 65.4 kilograms, 69% lean body mass and 31% body fat. So this is the mass behind them. Obviously your mileage might vary with this. Some of these are slightly more controversial than others. This isn't meant to be scientifically accurate or you know, massively proven or anything. It's just if you want to, for your clients, for yourself, whatever it is, you want to get these estimates right here for lean body mass. Highly useful in certain situations. Let's do US units. Let's say female. There's no age or anything. We'll just say no there. We'll say 5'7", and we'll say that she is at 125 in pounds. So let's go calculate, and then we get the Bohr, the James, and the Hume again. You can see 82%, 78%, and 79% for lean body mass. So hopefully you found this video on doing a lean body mass calculation online useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.